pleased to be here today in the Senedd as part of the celebrations of Welsh food and farming. It's crucial to have this meeting to meet with all Senedd members from all parties, and particularly the ability for us to present our manifesto Piast for election in 2026.
This is about coming here with ambition, with a clear vision for agriculture, and saying to our politicians, Welsh food and farming can absolutely thrive.
The farming union NFU Cymru says its biggest concern is the plan to ask farmers to pay inheritance tax on agricultural assets.
Tractors have been driven through Cardiff city centre in the ongoing row over inheritance tax changes.
Quite a few farmers will be facing the loss of their family farms.
We don't have to persuade the general public. They already know that this is wrong.
But the announcement last October has thrown a lot of these family businesses into turmoil. Again, I ask for compassion for these people. These need to be taken away from the eye of the storm.
It's not about me at all. This is about my son and my grandchildren and everybody else out there for their grandchildren.
Mae'n galed I gweld dad a mam ci achos ambell gwaith ti'n edrych cerdded mewn i'r shed a maen nhw'n siarad bot a maen nhw'n crio.
And this is going to catch out the elderly, the widowed, the terminally ill.
My father was diagnosed with cancer in February after that budget, and he shouldn't have thoughts about whether he has treatment or not. To protect the farm that he's worked all his life to protect for the next generation.
It's an absolute disgrace that Treasury is developing a policy to raise money that is going to be based on very, very unlucky people.
This is one tax that will decimate a countryside, and it's one that we will fight to the death.
Mae yna gyllideb wedi roed ar gyfer y taliad universal reit yn y cychwyn, ac oeddwn ni wedi canmol hynny hefyd. A dwi'n meddwl bod na di newid, bod na 17 o Universal Actions lawr I 12, bod nhw wedi symud yr angen am 10% o goed o fewn y cynllun. Mae yna lot o bethau I fod yn bositif, ond gweitha'r modd, mae yna lot o fanylion angen I egluro hefyd.
For any new farming payment, farmers should expect at least the same as they had before.
Da ni dal yn sbiad ar dros 2,000 o bobl yn colli i'w gwaith.
It's not good. It's certainly better than the last one. Let's carry on and find the solutions to lessen the impact even further.
There needs to be a deterrent for these people to realise they just can't go around and thieve livestock, or whenever they come in and take quad bikes and we get fly tipping, we got dogs not under control attacking livestock.
Things getting worse.
They're not getting any better.
Perpetrators are coming onto the land, going after the hares, doing damage to crops, disturbing livestock and destroying property.
It's scandalous, really, that we don't feel safe on our own properties.
Bovine TB has plagued rural Wales for the past 20 years.
We've suffered over the years, but not like we have in this last 18 months.
I recall the day that 9 calves had to be put down on farm. We had to hold those calves for the slaughterman to shoot them. And, yeah, my father and I, we just hugged each other after it happened.
We will keep lobbying about this disease because we cannot allow our members to go on living with it in the way that they are.
We have got huge concerns about the amount of resources that exist to deliver the control. So that's why we've written to the Welsh Government and to the UK Government to ask what they can do and what financial assistance they can offer to farmers.
Farmers are concerned that the reaction of the Welsh Government to this review suggests that they don't understand what NFU Cymru say is the sheer desperation of farmers in Wales in grappling with the complexity of the regulations.
Wi'n wir ofni, a dwi'n wir ofni am y pwysau mae hwn yn mynd i roed ar y diwydiant yn symud mlaen, yn ariannol, yn meddyliol, ag y pwysau mae fe'n mynd i roed, dyn ni wedi bod ar yr amgylchydd ei hunan.
Dysgu ar hyn o bryd amdano'r bwyd, felly erbyn dysgu mae'n neis nhw deall yw I gwmwys a gweld yn union gyntaf o le mae'n bwyd nhw'n dod.
Today we've had some local Welsh milk and also some Welsh cheese, and it is absolutely delicious, so we'll be definitely taking some of that home with us.
A beth wyt ti'n meddwl am y caws? Da iawn.
We tend to work on the ground with our members, navigating the regulations that farmers have to deal with nowadays, or indeed helping our members access other services that the NFU provide. I really enjoy the job of being a group secretary, being out on farm, being able to help those farmers. It is a really nice thing to be able to do.